Today we're going to be actually taking a look at one of my favorite products to travel with, and that is going to be the Omni Charge 20 Plus. So this is going to be a 20,000 milliamp battery or 71 watt hour battery, which is capable of doing output in DC as well as AC. And you also have USB output, you have USB-C output, and you even have a wireless charging pad on the top. So this thing can charge pretty much anything that you need it to, and you can charge multiple times for most products, which makes it a really great companion for somebody who is going out and doing filming or any other type of creative project and you need to have power for your devices. This is definitely something that I would highly recommend. When I did the filming for this video right here, I started the day out at 8 o'clock in the morning and went all the way until right around 8 o'clock at night filming with my drone, my phone, the DJI mic, and a whole bunch of other projects. And this thing was able to keep me going for the entirety of that day. It's able to charge DJI drone batteries, it's able to charge the RC controller, iPhone, you can even charge a MacBook if you want to. This thing is definitely something that will do it all. So I will just give you guys a quick demonstration on exactly how this thing works, what you can do with it, and then we will wrap up. Alright, so here we have the Omni Charge. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like on the display. As you can see, there's a little light pulsating on the bottom right. That is your USB power, so as you can see when I plug in the iPad, it charges. Now I'm going to plug in on the AC outlet. You have to turn this on in order for it to actually start working. So you see right here when I push that button, it turns the AC power on, and now we're getting power to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. We're also going to wirelessly charge our AirPods Pro on the top here, and you'll see that the light turns orange. We're also going to plug in a couple of USB-A accessories. So these are USB-A to C cables. We're using these to plug in to my lighting here. And as you can see, we are charging all of these things at once, and we have estimate of how long our battery is going to last doing all of this, which is pretty awesome. So that has been the Omni Charge 20 Plus. Hopefully you guys liked this video and got a lot out of it. Honestly, I think that this is an amazing product for anybody who's a mobile filmmaker or you just like to travel a lot. This can go on a plane with no issues because it's a small enough capacity. And like I said, having the AC port here is really handy. A lot of things that you may want to charge can only be charged using an AC port. Additionally, you can use things like the Ugreen multi-charger that I have, which has 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port to charge even more devices at once. So really this thing can handle a lot of situations and handle them very well. So I honestly can't recommend this thing enough. I think it is a little bit pricey at $250, but this does go on sale from time to time on Amazon. You can get about $50 off, but even at the full price of $249, I think it's not bad, especially considering that it's so small. There are other chargers that are $250 that have way more capacity, but they're quite a bit larger and more difficult to carry. So if you really value convenience, I think you can't go wrong with this. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to leave me a like, drop a comment down below. Do you have this product? Do you want to get it? I'll be sure to answer any questions that you guys have about this. And please remember to also subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.